Welcome. Today I am with VIVO V21 5G and we are going to check if this smartphone from the European distribution comes with factory installed screen protection. So let's go for the display and take a look on the screen. For the bottom, for example, as you can see, we can find here protection. Let me just catch focus on the display like that. Take a look here. As you can see, you can find foil that it's applied on the display, or we can see it right now clearly. And it comes from the edge to the bottom right here. So yeah, we can find here screen protection foil that protect your phone before scratches. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.